Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here at the lab again, but we are actually going to be doing upper body. I know, shocker. But here we are. We are doing back with using only this dual cable cross machine. So if you have one of these, you're in luck because the entire exercise is on this machine.
I feel at home.
All right guys, so the first exercise is a kneeling lat pull down. So all you need is this little attachment. Come down on your knees. And the goal of this is to pull your elbow in to your rib area and really just feel an engagement on this lat right here. So mentally connect with the muscle as you're doing it. Try not to flop around. And also really release and allow the muscle to stretch at the top. So at the top, and then engage the muscle, pull it back. There we go. Oops, one more little thing that I forgot to mention is that we want our thumb to be over the bar here, okay? So try not to have it under. Unless you have a horrendous grip, then, you know, it's okay. And we'll do that on either arm. Okay, now we're gonna do some reverse flies, which are my favorites because they give you that really nice, sexy middle back muscle, like that little back belly at the top. Chef's kiss, okay? So you're gonna lower this machine until it's right above your shoulder height. So see how it's not quite in line, it's right above it. And then I like to just have these plain loose attachments and hold on to this little bar, or this little ball, I mean. So with these, you need very little weight, I promise you, okay? Don't be going into this thinking you're the Hulk, okay? Because you will feel it with the tiniest little amount of weight. You're gonna grab onto this attachment like so, reach over the other end, and see how my arms are crossed in front of me? So, with them right out in front of you like so, you're gonna stretch out and release. And keep tension the whole time, so really focus on that mind to muscle connection. And try not to strain your neck. That's one of the things I would always do in the beginning. I was like this. It was really bad, okay? Looking like a turtle or something. Okay, now we are gonna do straight arm pull downs. So with these, you wanna be using this little ropey thingy and stand a little far away from the cable so you can add some tension to it. Lean forward, and then really, you're using your entire back, honestly. For this one, you're gonna pull the rope down with a straight arm. That wasn't very straight, so ignore me. You want your arm to be straight. And as you do so, you're gonna lift your back to meet it at the top. So full back movement, really stretch it out right here, and then at the top. Whew, I feel that in my whole back. So now we are gonna do some base pulls, and based on your preference, you can either be standing or sitting on the ground for these. Personally, I like to sit on the ground because I'm quite light, and if I stand, I just lift off, you know, as I'm pulling it. So, but if you can stand upright, ropes like so, and then you're literally just gonna do as the name suggests, pull the rope to your face. Right there, see how it almost meets my nose and I'm really having that tension in the back? I'm actually gonna pull this up a little higher. Just like so. And I'll show you what that looks like sitting down too. Same concept, just sitting down and pulling the rope all the way to your nose and release. Okay, now we're gonna do some single arm rows. So moving this machine all the way down to the bottom, grab a little handle, lean forward, tighten your core, engage your back, and then pulling your elbow basically to lead the movement. You're gonna bring your hand to your hip. So just like so. Okay, for our last exercise, we are gonna do some standing upright rows. So grab yourself a straight bar. Well, it's not very straight, but that's what they're called. So, funny story, guys. One time I was putting a straight bar up above my head like this, but I had the weight at an extremely low weight, and I didn't think about the fact that this bar is very heavy. So I literally put it up here, and I turned around, and this shit went flying and hit my head. So just keep that in mind, okay? For this exercise, all you need to do is grab the bar like so, thumbs over. And the goal of this exercise is to pull the bar up to your chest while keeping your elbows out. So keep a tight core, engage your back, and lift. And really mentally connect with your back as you're doing it. Okay guys, that concludes our back day using the dual cable cross only machine. So I hope that was useful for you. Save it for later. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.